This video is going to guide you on how to recover your Gmail account without phone number and recover email. So if you lost access to those credentials but you still want to access back your account, then make sure to follow each step shown in the video. And if you find this guide useful, kindly consider giving a thumbs up and subscribe for more recovery videos. So without further ado, let's begin. Now the first step you need to do is to locate your Google application. So after locating it, tap and hold on that application, then select App Info. Now you select Permissions, the second option. Then select Location and select Don't Allow. Then confirm Don't Allow anyway. Now the next step is to open your phone settings. Now scroll down to locate Google. So click on Google. Now click on that question mark sign. Now here under search help, just type in lost, as you can see, then you search for it. Now select the last option, fix common issues with two-step verification. Now click on recover your account. Now click on that link, recover your account. Now click on follow the steps to recover your account. Now we are on the recovery page. Now enter the email address that you want to recover. Then click on next. So now we'll see this page, welcome back or success. And here you'll see two options, update your password and continue. I'd advise you to update your password. So click on update password. So now create a new strong password for your Gmail account. And by doing that, you'll have now recovered your Gmail account without phone number and recover email. So I hope you find this guide useful, and if you do, kindly leave a like, share and subscribe. So thank you so much for watching. Until next time, stay safe.